Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by selecting tools that respond predictably. A 0, 3mm pen for fine detail, and a 1, 02, 0mm brush or marker for bold strokes. Once done, mark primary contours lightly and commit only where volume matters. This preserves options. Make sure to set contrast between foreground and background to judge line weight choices. You'll alternate grips. Use a fingertip hold for precision and a wrist or arm motion for flowing thick strokes. This gives you control from hairline to bold. You now layer weight to describe form. Press slightly where surfaces turn away from light and lighten at highlights. This implies depth. As you draw, vary speed. Slower, deliberate strokes yield thicker lines when combined with pressure, while quick strokes create thin edges. Once you establish primary weights, add secondary strokes to indicate texture and material differences. Make sure to read the silhouette constantly, so your weight changes reinforce volume instead of contradicting it, and adjust transitions by feathering or blending strokes gently. Finish by refining transitions and correcting any weight mismatches. You should step back, squint, and identify lines that break the silhouette or flatten form. Once identified, lighten heavy marks with erasure, a lighter overlay, or an ink wash. On digital work, reduce opacity or redraw with a matching brush size. Make sure to maintain consistent weight language across similar edges. If things go wrong, compare against a small test strip and adjust systematically rather than randomly, and then reevaluate the whole drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.